As losing equipment is never good, what's much worse is if your enemy capture your equipment, as this can be used either to get intel on the equipment or possibly used against you. As Ukraine has managed to capture a lot of Russian equipment and are familiar with most systems, this only adds to their capability, causing the other side to place more resources to knock out their own equipment, while risking having more equipment knocked out by the equipment lost in the first place. As Ukraine had made a failed offensive, losing 2 tanks, one being a T-64BV tank, but the other being a Russian T-90M tank captured, Russia had to place resources destroying their own tank that they have lost. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.